good, y'all? What's good? We back with another video. It ain't a whole lot of action going on today, but I'm recording it because I'm supposed to have my yoke coming in. I bought an extended yoke, drive shaft yoke. They're gonna solve the problem for the drive shaft. I saw somebody put it in the comments too, man. They had crossed my mind, but I was trying to find drive shaft first, but I went in and bought the yoke. It's supposed to get here today. Gotta take it to Joe Buddy Racing. And get it put on. It's supposed to rain and stuff today. That's why I'm like, it's really not too much going on, but I'm trying to keep y'all up to date with the entire process from small to big. So after this video, we really should have oil pressure. I know I keep saying it, but we really should have oil pressure because this was the last piece. Like, it was literally the last missing piece. So I gotta do that, and then we're gonna see what else the day holds. So y'all stay tuned. But yeah, before I do that, the reason I'm in the garage, show y'all my new tool pickup. I got this the other day because I ain't have no standard Allen wrenches. I had some metric, but I ain't have no standard. Remember I was telling y'all I couldn't take that fitting out. I got them now, but I don't need to take the fitting out. I'm just gonna do what y'all said and put a little block off on the cap. Then I got a pipe bender. I bought that the other day, pipe bender, to bend the tubes, bend the transmission lines and stuff, so you'll get some good clean bends and not trying to bend it by hand. But I think I showed it to y'all though, matter of fact. Still gotta put that towel on. Then I bought some jack stands. Like I said, I told you I've been needing some 3-ton, some of the smaller jack stands, cause all I got is them 6-ton, cause I always buy the stuff to pick the whole car up off the ground, all that high. Like I said, I be thinking about transmission joints and all that. But I got these, just 2 of these will be perfect for me. I ain't gonna get 4 of these. So I got 6 jack stands now, pretty good. And I'm definitely gonna need these when I do the exhaust video. So cause I'm gonna put the exhaust under the car myself. And then I'm gonna take it and let Jesse do it, run it out the back. Or I might get him turned down, I don't know. But he gotta make some hangers either way it go. But I'm gonna show y'all, so I needed these for that video. So trying to keep y'all up to date on the tool pickups too, so cause y'all, some people be saying they want to see it since I'm growing my tool collection. So yeah, this is the last pickup. So next clip we should be at well now we got my boy Jerome coming to pick up Rick's car, cause the car is gone, actually sold. Somebody got it. So he's supposed to be coming to pick up Rick's car, and then we'll finally have the driveway all cleared up. Move the cars and park them like they supposed to, and yeah. So I hope Jerome get over here before the rain come in, and then we can head to Joe Buddy Racing later to get the yoke put on whenever the yoke arrives. So y'all stay tuned. So y'all see the car out of here. Rick had somebody buy it. That's what he told him. So getting my boy Jerome taking it to the spot. I had told Rick I'd take care of that anyway. So shout out to Jerome, y'all saw him in my other video. He the one that told Dolo to Joe Buddy Racing. So told y'all, man, I use the same people for everything. I always support the same people. So yeah, Jerome get that going. And like I said, now I'm gonna get that driveway all cleared up. I'm gonna get Cuzzo up. He's supposed to come today. Now I gotta go to Joe Buddy Racing to get the U-joint put on the drive shaft too. So I gotta go do that. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we checking in at shop. I'm on the phone. I left the camera. Call. I said, wife and the kid, they out there, they chilling, but we supposed to be going somewhere, but I like, man, we're gonna have to stop and do this. We're gonna get this done first, but we over there here at Joe Buddy Racing. I'm about to getting right. The yoke, I had to get a yoke. Let me show y'all. Somebody in the comments said that too. They were like, get an extended yoke. And I did think about that. And I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. So I got an extended yoke right here. It's actually 2 inches longer than what I need, so it more than enough room. It'll work. This yoke takes outside lock, so it needs that special U-joint, and it's smaller. A 372 U-joint. That's the part number. I had 2 of them. Cause when you go into 8.8 rear end in an S10, you gotta have that special U-joint too. It's big on one side and it's small on one side. And the small side got the outside locks, the big side regular inside locks. So had to get that. But from the factory, when they put these drive shafts in, at least with GM, yeah, they glue. It's a little hole. I can't show y'all now, but well, I could show y'all over here. It's a little hole right there. It's a little hole they injected in it holding. So you have to heat it up. Y'all see it right here? It's still gonna pop out of there. All that glue drop out. Then you can press them out, knock them out with a hammer or whatever. I did it before, but like I said, you can either press or knock them out. Then you can change them up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Get that pop, y'all. Missed the first time. There you go. Yeah, like I said, from the fact they inject that stuff in there. They do it. Yeah, he right. Come on, this stuff don't never come out. Only way you can get it out right there, burn it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can get your workout in. You can always do that. Jumping. Try to come over here.
Put that cap all the way out. For you. I'll not push it out for you.
Yeah, so it is. Get that thumbnail for y'all. Y'all see how easy that came off. Like I said, I tell you what, you won't grab that. Your fingerprints and everything be left on there.
Too hot to even think about.
Oh yeah, that thing there, way too hot right now. Oh yeah, while I'm down here, y'all know I always show the subscribers some love, so got to show my boy some love. I can't remember your YouTube name, but I know you'll comment below. I got to show him some love to here. Monte Carlo SS. I remember seeing the comments said he just brought the car down here. Nice, solid car. I ain't sure what's getting done to it, but it's a nice, solid car. I always show all y'all some love, especially the one that come down here. I got to show you love. It's a must. But yeah, man, real nice car. I think he was looking for a front header panel too. Not the entire front clip, but the header panel. So, which I mean, this right here. I think this is what he's looking for. He'll comment below. So if anybody know what one that, get at me. Or if he comment below, y'all see a comment, get at him. We in Georgia. And yeah, man, so I'm just showing love, man. I appreciate you supporting. I appreciate you and everything. I appreciate all y'all. So I'm just showing some love, man. Y'all look at it. I'm pretty sure he gonna put this thing all the way in the game. So yeah, man, we're gonna get back in and see what we got going on with the U-joint and the yoke.
Get back up.
All right, y'all. So I'm putting it back in. Now, like I said, you need that 372 joint. Got to be that 372 for this.
See that when you first came, 372.
Yeah, he said it. Cause they make different ones. I brought one back.
You bought 372 and a half.
He said I bought a 372 and a half. Yeah, so y'all get that 372. Cause it's more than one. But it's a difference. They got the different side caps. But it's a difference between them, so.
Pause.
He said pause. Oh boy. Y'all see outside locks. The locks in there, they lock from the outside. It's still the inside. I'm gonna film all of this. Y'all like to see artwork, man. Y'all be in the comments and it's true. I know he get down. There it is, y'all. Bad truck right here. Jai, what's your plan for this thing, man?
Drag truck.
Drag truck. Look, he went straight up through there. Little Vortex, man. Y'all know them Vortex run good. Put a carburetor intake on it. He did it work. He doing the thing out here. Still learning, ain't you? Yeah, he's still learning, but he doing good, man. He down here helping Unc and all that. So yeah, this his truck, this his ride. And y'all heard what he said, straight drag truck. So he going clean up through there. But we just showing him some love on the vlog too, y'all. So Unc still over here. We're finishing up. Then tomorrow, we're gonna pop this thing again. So y'all gonna definitely tune in to tomorrow's episode. Y'all probably see this thing move. So, yep. Then we're gonna be back down here on the Dolo episodes on the other box. And then the Camaro too, so we'll be back down here when we finish up Meech. Y'all see the Monte Carlo going, kicking them out. So got another, I don't know if we can put that one on camera. He want to be on camera, the other. Alright, so it's another one over here, but he don't want to be on camera, but so he kicking them out, y'all. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Got everything on there. You gotta always put grease in anything. Get your grease gun. Screw in the fitting in there, cause that one had one where it had broke, but he got it out. So we just took one. Cause we don't use about 3 U joints to make one. We don't use about 3 of them for real. Just had them laying around. So yeah, he about to grease this up. And get what you do. Gonna see the grease start coming out. Don't want to get down in there, dude. There you grease feeding right there. And see, get your grease gun, you gotta pump it. Pump it. Let grease everything, all the needle bearings and all that stuff. Yeah. Alright, so it had switched grease guns or whatever, so about to make it do what it do.
No, we're not either. How about the small out of grease?
Ain't no grease in it. We having all type of bloopers, so we gotta put some grease in it.
Ain't got no here. Take a look.
We got no packing grease.
I gotta put that little tea.
Oh.
Then you have one at home. How about that?
Well, look like I'm gonna have to grease them, y'all, so I have to get some grease tomorrow.
Big tubes, I ain't got no little tube, and the little tube only fit in.
Yeah. I'll have to buy some packing grease tomorrow and grease the you doing up.
Make sure you grease both of them.
Yeah.
Make sure you grease both of them.
What, grease that in too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, never mind. It's a factory, you can't.
Oh yeah, they're right. So well we just gotta do the new one. Yeah, they still got the seal, the rubber and stuff in it.